Every transformation starts with a single rep, and often with a moment of doubt. Building muscle isn't just about lifting weights. It's about lifting yourself through every challenge, setback, and moment of weakness. Whether you're struggling to stay consistent, fighting through plateaus, or starting from absolute zero, remember this: progress is built in the shadows of persistence. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more powerful fitness stories, tips, and guides that will help you stay motivated and strong throughout your journey. Every strong body has a story, not of easy wins, but of sweat, setbacks, and stubborn resilience. The road to building muscle isn't smooth. It's a battlefield of discipline, self-doubt, and delayed gratification. Every rep, every early morning, every sore muscle is a step toward transformation. From zero to hero isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a reality for anyone who's ever struggled with the mirror, started weak, or fought through pain to sculpt strength. Whether you're starting from scratch or trying to break a plateau, this is your guide to conquering obstacles and rising through every hardship that stands between you and your strongest self. Point 10. Start small, dream big. Every rep counts. No hero starts at the top. Every champion once lifted an empty bar or struggled through their first push-up. The key to success is consistency, not perfection. Starting small means giving your body time to adapt and your mind time to build discipline. Forget the urge to lift heavy right away. Focus on learning form and mastering control. Each rep, no matter how light, adds up. Over time, these small wins build a foundation stronger than any shortcut ever could. Remember, slow progress is still progress, and every drop of sweat is a deposit in your future strength. Point 9. Face the pain. Growth hides behind discomfort. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your teacher. The soreness you feel after a brutal workout is your body breaking down to rebuild stronger. The mental battle begins when you want to quit, when your muscles burn and your energy fades. That's where champions are made. Learning to push through controlled discomfort while listening to your body is a skill few master. Embrace the challenge, not as punishment, but as proof that you're evolving. No growth ever came from comfort zones. Muscles grow where the pain lives. Point 8. Discipline over motivation. Show up no matter what. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline is forever. Some days you'll feel unstoppable, others you'll want to give up. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't, they show up anyway. Discipline isn't about loving the grind. It's about doing it because your goals demand it. Set a schedule, commit to it, and treat every session like a promise to yourself. When you build consistency, the results follow naturally. Remember, muscles don't grow from what you intend to do, but from what you repeat. Point 7. Embrace failure. It's fuel, not defeat. Every failed rep, every bad workout, every missed goal is part of the process. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the foundation of it. When you fail, you learn where your limits lie and how to break them next time. The gym humbles everyone. Even the strongest lifters miss lifts. Instead of quitting, use failure as a mirror reflecting where you can improve. Those who rise after failure become unstoppable because they've learned how to rebuild, stronger than before. Point 6. Nutrition, the unsung hero of muscle growth. No matter how hard you train, you can't outlift a poor diet. Muscles need fuel, protein to repair, carbs to recover, and fats to sustain hormones. Eating right isn't about strict diets. It's about balance and awareness. Think of your food as the foundation of your gains. Hydrate well, track your intake, and nourish your body like an athlete, not a casual lifter. Remember, what you eat in private will show in public. Your body reflects your choices as much as your training. Point 5. The mind-muscle connection. Train with intention. Muscle growth isn't just mechanical. It's mental. The best lifters know how to feel their muscles working. This is the mind-muscle connection, the ability to focus on the contraction, tension, and movement of each rep. When you train with awareness, you activate more muscle fibers, improve form, and prevent injury. Stop mindlessly going through motions. Visualize every set, breathe with control, and make each rep count. Your body follows where your mind leads. Point 4. Overcoming plateaus. Adapt and evolve. Every lifter faces a point where progress slows, the dreaded plateau. It's frustrating, but it's also a sign that your body has adapted. The solution: change your stimulus. Vary your exercises, adjust rep ranges, or switch your training split. Sometimes, rest and recovery are the missing ingredients for breakthrough. Don't panic when you stop seeing quick results. That's the universe testing your patience. Keep showing up, tweak your plan, and remember that progress is never linear. Point 3. Rest, recovery, and resilience. Growth doesn't happen during your workout. It happens while you rest. Overtraining leads to fatigue, injuries, and burnout. Rest is not weakness. It's part of the process. Quality sleep, proper stretching, and active recovery days are as crucial as your toughest sets. Muscle repair requires time and nutrition, so treat recovery like training. You're building a stronger version of yourself. Give it the care it deserves. Heroes don't just train hard, they recover smart. Point 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Energy is contagious. The people you surround yourself with determine your mindset. Train with those who push you to do better, not those who make excuses. A strong support system, whether it's a training partner, coach, or online community, fuels motivation and accountability. Negativity drains progress, but positivity multiplies it. Choose an environment that celebrates effort, not ego. Remember, heroes are never built alone. They rise through teamwork, encouragement, and shared struggle. Point 1. Believe in the process. Your future self is watching. The greatest transformation begins when you decide to believe in yourself, even when results are invisible. There will be moments when you doubt your strength, when the mirror doesn't reflect your effort. But those are the moments that define you. Keep grinding, keep showing up, and trust that every small step is shaping your future hero. Building muscle isn't just about the body. It's about rebuilding your mind. You're not just lifting weights, you're lifting your limits. The hero you're becoming is already within you. All you have to do is keep fighting for it. From trembling under an empty bar to lifting your personal best, your muscle journey is proof of persistence. The hardships, the setbacks, the self-doubt, they're not obstacles. They're the architects of your strength. True heroes aren't born in comfort. They're forged in pain, molded by discipline, and strengthened by consistency. You started as a beginner, but every rep, every struggle, every day you didn't quit, that's what makes you the hero of your own fitness journey. Your muscle journey isn't defined by where you start, but by how many times you refuse to give up. Every rep, every drop of sweat, and every tough day builds not just your body, but your character. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational fitness content and training insights. Keep pushing forward from zero to hero, because your best self is still in the making.